Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about a serum that is ideal for people who are new to chemical exfoliation. As you might know, people who are new to chemical exfoliation should start with lower concentrations of the chemical exfoliant and slowly work their way up to a higher concentration. Lactic acid is the most ideal chemical exfoliant for people who have sensitive skin, and it is what I would recommend for people who are new to chemical exfoliation. Now, finding a leave-on product with a gentle exfoliant like lactic acid, that too with the acid in a low concentration, is a difficult task. This may be one of the reasons why wash-off products are more often recommended for beginners instead of leave-on products. Now, a relatively recent launch in the Indian skincare market aims to solve that problem. It is the Reconstruct Beginners Exfoliating Serum. It has 5% lactic acid. I have been using this product for the last 1 month, and today we will judge the product on the basis of its ingredients, its texture, and of course its performance. This serum is paraben and sulfate free, and more importantly it is fragrance and essential oil free. This serum contains only 5% lactic acid, which is ideal for beginners. Lactic acid is basically an AHA. AHAs or alpha hydroxy acids are water soluble organic compounds. Now what do AHAs do? AHAs basically exfoliate the topmost layer of the skin to reveal brighter, smoother, fresher and newer skin. Lactic acid helps treat moderate to severe hyperpigmentation, and it is an amazing moisturizing ingredient. Basically, lactic acid helps to keep the skin moisturized and feeling less dry. This serum has 1.5% probiotics, and the probiotic that has been used in the serum is Lactococcus ferment lysate. Now, Lactococcus ferment lysate positively influences both the speed and quality of epidermal growth, which results in better barrier function and overall skin quality. It is a skin barrier fortifying ingredient, which means that it will help repair and prevent damage to the outermost layer of the skin. Now, if you want to learn more about the skin barrier, I will leave a link to one of my videos about the skin barrier in the description box down below, so do go check it out. This serum contains Palmaria palmata extract, which is a sort of a red algae, and it is commonly called dulse. Now, dulse is a popular skin brightening ingredient, and it also provides antioxidant support to neutralize damaging free radicals. This serum has humectants like glycerin, sodium hyaluronate, sodium gluconate and betaine. Humectants basically help the skin attract water from the surrounding and hold on to it so that the skin feels hydrated and moisturized. The serum also has citric acid, but that has been used as a pH adjuster. Now, pH adjusters basically bring down the pH of the skin low enough for the AHA or the BHA used to be effective. Some chemical exfoliating products do not have pH adjusters in them, so you have to use a low pH cleanser or an exfoliating toner to bring down the pH of the skin. But with this serum, you do not have to adjust the pH of the skin before applying the serum. What you can do is you can cleanse your skin using a cleanser of your choice, and then apply the serum on dry skin. Wait for 30 minutes for the acid to do its magic, and then apply your hydrating products like hydrating serums or essences, or you can directly just move on to your moisturizer. You can use this product once or twice a week if you're new to chemical exfoliation. If you're used to chemical exfoliation, you can use this product up to 4 times a week. This serum has a lightweight texture which gets easily absorbed into the skin and isn't very sticky. It has visibly brightened my skin and also reduced my hyperpigmentation to a great extent. This picture was taken after 2.5 weeks of using the serum, and as you can clearly see, my acne marks and dark spots have reduced to a great extent. My skin felt less textured and smoother after using it for longer. This serum is ideal for all skin types, especially sensitive skin types. Overall, I highly recommend it to people who are new to chemical exfoliation, as it is a very gentle formulation. It provides hydrating, barrier fortifying, skin brightening benefits along with reduction in hyperpigmentation and smoothened skin texture. It retails for 600 rupees for 30 ml. You can use code TIRTHA10 to get 10% off on their website. So you will get it for 540 rupees. I will leave the link to the product in the description box down below. So that's all for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Tirtha. I make videos on skincare, hair care, body care and all things beauty. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, then please hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you have any comments or queries, please leave them in the comment section down below. So yeah, that's all for the video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye.